Is your camera not working because of memory card data? Or your memory card is just not in the right position about executing? Well, today you're going to find out a few things about this, about working on a 4K camera. If you go to the section to where it says 4K XAVCS 4K, do not select that button. Go to the right of the button where it says HD XAVCSD and select that one. From there, you'll get a better format because the other one will not do it because it's not set for a 4K. After that, just wait until it says completed. After that, it should be ready to go.